Have you ever thought about what would happen if we could turn the very code of life into digital data? Well, today we're diving into a field called bioinformatics, and it's doing exactly that. And believe me, it's changing pretty much everything, from medicine all the way to agriculture. So let's just start with a really big question. What if we could look at your unique genetic blueprint and predict your risk for certain diseases, maybe years before they even appear? Or what if we could design a medicine tailored specifically for you? This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the incredible promise of biopharmaceutics. To really get how we're heading into that future, you have to picture the collision of two absolutely massive worlds, biology and big data. And right where they intersect, well, that's where you find bioinformatics. At its heart, bioinformatics is exactly what it sounds like, right? Biology plus information technology. It's basically the essential toolkit we've had to build to handle the just enormous amount of data we get from studying living things, especially our own DNA. Here's a really great way to think about it. For decades, we've known our DNA is this incredible book of life, but honestly, we could only read a few sentences here and there. Bioinformatics, that's the search engine that's finally letting us read and actually understand the entire library all at once. And this represents a huge shift. We've literally gone from studying one single gene in a lab over months to analyzing an entire genome, that's all 3 billion letters, on a computer in just a matter of hours. The change in scale and speed is, well, it's staggering. So you might be wondering, why did we need this new field so badly, so urgently? It's because biology suddenly ran into a brand new problem. A problem caused by its own success, really. An absolute explosion of data. Just look at this timeline. It took almost 50 years to go from discovering the structure of DNA to finally sequencing the first human genome in 2003. And today we can sequence thousands of genomes every single day. The pace is just exponential. And to put that into perspective for you, a single human genome has about 3 billion base pairs. If you were to print that out, you'd fill thousands and thousands of books. Now imagine getting thousands of new libraries worth of data delivered to you every day. You just can't analyze that with a notepad and a pencil, right? And what was the engine driving this data tsunami? A massive drop in cost. The very first human genome project, it cost billions. Today, you can get it done for about $1,000. That huge drop in price made genomic data everywhere, and that created the critical need for tools that can make sense of it all. And this is exactly where the digital biologist or the bioinformatician comes into the picture. These are the people who build and use the powerful computer tools we need to navigate this ocean of biological data and find the treasures hidden deep inside. You know, the whole workflow is basically a 3-step process. First, these super high-tech sequencers collect the raw DNA and turn it into digital files. Next, all that data gets stored in these huge, organized databases. And then finally, powerful algorithms analyze it all, sifting through it to find meaningful patterns, like that one single genetic typo that might be linked to a disease. Okay, so we can process all this data. That's great. But why does this actually matter to you and me? Let's take a look at the incredible, real-world impact this field is having right now. The applications are just incredibly diverse. They touch almost every part of our lives. Seriously, we're talking about everything from designing personalized medicines and creating more resilient food to solving crimes and even rewriting our own evolutionary history. So let's take personalized medicine. Instead of a one-size-fits-all chemo treatment, doctors can now sequence a tumor's DNA, find its unique weak spots, and pick a drug that targets those specific flaws directly. This isn't some far-off future stuff. It is happening right now. Or how about in agriculture? Scientists are using bioinformatics to scan the genomes of thousands of different plants. They can pinpoint the exact genes that are responsible for things like drought resistance or higher vitamin content. And that helps us develop better, stronger crops to feed a growing planet. And on a really fundamental level, it's like a time machine. By comparing the DNA of humans and chimps and fish and even bacteria, we can piece together the evolutionary tree of life. We can finally understand the genetic changes that made us, well, us. So all of this really leads to one very clear conclusion. We are entering a totally new era. The language of life isn't a mystery anymore. It's becoming a code that we can read, and maybe one day, a code that we can write. So if there's one key thing to take away, it's this. Bioinformatics isn't just some niche specialty anymore. It's become the absolute foundation of modern biology. In fact, it's completely redefining what it means to even be a biologist. The scientist of the future is just as much a data scientist as they are a researcher in a lab. So, for the very first time in human history, we can read the source code of life. That gives us immense power. The power to cure disease, to shape our environment, to understand ourselves. So the real question now is, what story will we choose to write in the next chapter?